Hey guys, what is up today? We're doing a nature vlog.
Guys, be careful right there. No, not mine. Mine's so good.
What are we going to do with you?
Does anybody know why that had a yellow circle on that trail?
Still cut it down.
Right. So they'll put yellow circles
That's going to happen.
along the trail so you know where you're at. Now this trail's pretty obvious, so sometimes you'll be on a trail where it's much more overgrown. When you look for those, you can know you're on the right path.
Look what I can.
You're crazy.
Wait, what is that?
That might be a poison.
Anybody see any more yellow dots?
What? Scott, your son found a poisonous thing. There's more.
Oh, the berries. Yeah, don't eat them.
You can touch them, but you can't eat them.
Somebody found a daddy long legs.
Daddy long legs? Slide down this.
No, just wait.
Speedy done done.
Somebody found a daddy long legs.
Yep, another rhododendron.
Dad, watch this.
So Ryan, rhododendrons at when they get to below freezing, what do the leaves do? Do you know?
Like they curl up.
They curl up. Yeah, so you actually can tell the temperature by looking at the leaves on a rhododendron.
Well, also if it's snowing, you also know it's full of
In the snow, they're curled up, right?
Well, it's got to be below 32, so not necessarily based on based on temperature.
See, you'll never know when they aren't curled up what temperature it is.
All right, back here, guys.
What? I'm back
What?
here.
Rise up.
Well, yeah, do some push-ups.
No.
5 push-ups.
I want you to try to
Oh,
find
great.
big yellow dots on trees. That's where we know the trail is. So look around.
Every tree.
Yeah, keep looking. Come up here and look.
What does R mean?
Do you see any yellow dots? You're
Well,
not even looking. I bet you'll find one.
It's right in front of you.
Hey,
Yeah.
stop bullying nature.
I just did 10 push-ups.
There's one.
Nice.
Yellow dot.
That means checkpoint.
Here, hold up here, guys. Let's wait. Let's wait for the rest of the group a little bit. Ethan, come back here, please.
They have a tiny mouth. They can't.
Come back here, please, Ethan.
Hello. Hey. Hello.
This is what you don't want to step on.
What, moss?
Yeah.
Why?
With water, makes it slick.
Oh, you're right. It could be slick.
Whoa! Yeah, watch it. There's a bunch of
No.
Nope, not yet. The rest of the group to catch up a little bit.
I'm just talking about socks.
All right, guys, wait here. We're waiting for the rest of the group.
We're not there yet.
All right.
I'll take some of these.
I'll do 5 push-ups.
No, you won't get lost.
Hold
Follow
up.
the trail.
Okay, did you see that? I found an R back there on the tree. Don't know what that means.
Can I, so 2 people go ahead of Mr. Scott? If I'm one of the 2 people, I can do 10 push-ups. I got it.
Water.
Oh my gosh.
There you go.
There's a lot of
Okay,
water.
take the rock or the branches or the roots.
I want to go with the rock.
I'm gonna go.
The rock's way funner.
Hold up.
The rock's funner. The rock's fun. Hey, I heard you like
No, the stick's more risky. Ugh.
big hole.
He totally jumped over that massive hole there. Yeah. This stick was more fun to go across.
You guys don't have a hat? What? I have a hat.
Makes your head sweaty after a while.
What?
A hat makes your head sweaty after a while.
Everybody get quiet.
Using it to cut.
Quiet.
Oh,
Can you hear it?
Mhm.
I think we're getting close to the waterfall.
Oh, I hear crickets in the midst of the waterfall.
Yeah.
Like, it is the waterfall. I'm here a lot of times, and I stand back there, and I heard
What is that? What's that bug?
What is that stuff?
What's
It's a
that?
checkpoint.
Checkpoint.
That's not how that works in real life.
That's how life works. I don't know.
In real life, if you die, you don't respawn at your nearest checkpoint.
Yep.
True.
You die and like die.
Yeah.
You never respawn.
That's the waterfall. It's amazing.
Wow!
That's
People
so,
die on that waterfall.
that's so high up. Oh my gosh! Wow.
Oh, that is not the fall.
I know, right?
Watch what this falls.
Yeah, we're gonna see some real waterfall. Oh, checkpoint! We got a checkpoint! Yay! Although this isn't Minecraft, this isn't Grand Theft Auto, and this isn't Fallout.
That is.
No, it isn't. That'd be awesome, but it's not.
Like on my Minecraft character, his hand stays like this. I don't know why.
I know, that's what happens on every Minecraft character. Once you take off the HUD, then it doesn't.
When I got Minecraft on Xbox,
I
was basketball Steve. A basketball piece of Steve.
Careful.
What?
wow! Oh.
I know David's in there. I
Something.
don't know. This should be a perfect.
All right. What's your shirt say?
Find the tree you're allowed to. Wait, really? Yeah. Wait, there's a
Nice.
hole right here.
I like how I'm just letting everybody else do the video. Stay on trail. Okay, great. Good to know. Stayed on trail though. At least. That's why you gotta look at the trail, not anything else. It's a waterfowl. I see the waterfowl.